a quick run through of the virtual machine setup so you can follow along with the exercises and attacks with an easy experience. Now when you open this, there'll be a download link for you here where you can go ahead and download all of the virtual machines and the resources. Once you've done that, you'll see a bunch of virtual machines. Now I recommend using a version of VMware, VMware Player, or VMware Workstation for Windows, VMware Fusion for Mac, or your own. These virtual machines have been created from VMware Workstation. I've configured them so they should work in VirtualBox, but it's not guaranteed as there's a little bit of a fight between VMware and VirtualBox. Once you download the machines, we've got 6 here: our Kali box, the Metasploitable box, a web box which is hosting a bunch of web applications for us, XP, Windows, and our Underdog box. Here I've included some account information about these boxes. We got the Kali box, username and password. Same with the Metasploitable, Windows, Underdog, and web boxes. And what's important to note about the web boxes is that there are different web applications on ports 1001 through to 1005. And when you open BWAP, you need to first navigate to /install.php to set up the application, and then you'll be able to use the web app and follow along in the videos. One final note is for these virtual machines, under the settings menu, I highly recommend setting the network adapter to be NAT, because if you use bridged and you're on Wi-Fi, your virtual machines won't be able to get an IP address. So pretty much, and by default they should be set to NAT or use host adapter. Just make sure that each of these virtual machines have a network adapter of NAT.